Change a user's name or email address. Welcome to M365 Professional. Oftentimes, users will request that their information be changed, such as their username or email address. You can do this by updating their information, adding an alias, or changing their username. Let's take a look at all three processes. 2. Update a user's information. Go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, then the Users tab, and select the user. Let's say the user wants their nickname to be displayed instead of their current name. Choose Manage Contact Information. Update their information. Select Save Changes. And close the window. The user's new display name will now appear throughout Microsoft 365. Now, let's say they would like their nickname in an email address, but they want to keep using their existing email address as well. Select the user. Then, under Aliases, choose Manage Username and Email. To add an alias, enter the desired name. Select your domain. Then add. The user can now receive email at their regular email address, as well as their alternate email alias. Aliases can also be used to create non-personal email addresses for a user, such as sales. When you're done, save your changes. And close the window. If a user wants to change their username, which will change their login credentials, select the user. Then under Username and Email, choose Manage Username and Email. Under Primary Email Address and Username, select Edit. Update the information as needed. Select Done. Save changes. Then close the window. Username has been updated. Remember to notify the user of the change, as they will need to log into Microsoft 365 with their new credentials and set up Outlook again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.